everybody, I'm Caitlin and I work here for Quality Equipment at the Southern Farm Show. Come out and see us. We've got an array of products, toys, hats, license plates, generators, pressure washers, heaters. We're running sales on safes this week. We're going to be here in the Jim Graham building now until 4 o'clock today. Tomorrow we're going to be here until about 3 o'clock. Come out and see us and come shop.
Hey, my name is Noah Benson. I'm a recruiter with Quality Equipment, and I'm out here at the Southern Farm Show today to speak with people about some of the programs we offer, like our John Deere Tech program. This is a 2-year associate's degree program through Wake Tech over at their Fuquay Arena building, where you can be in class with Wake Tech for part of the week, as well as working with us at any one of our locations for the other part of the week. That way you get your classroom education as well as your hands-on experience. A lot of benefits to this program. People wanting to be in this field, it's a great step to start off their career.
Hey everyone, I'm Brody. I'm at the Fairfield branch working for Quality Equipment. I'm a second-year John Deere Tech student. I started off working in cars in my high school automotive program, and I wanted to take a change. Now I work on agricultural. Favorite thing to work on is a combine and occasionally a sprayer. They don't want to fight me.
Hey guys, it's Justin here with Quality Equipment. I'm just going to take a few minutes to talk to you about the 451M Silage Special Round Baler. So the baler you're looking at here comes standard with a mega wide pickup, which is also a hydraulically operated pickup. Just inside this door here, you have our grease banks, which is where you're going to be able to fast and easy grease that baler for easy maintenance. Moving on to the back here, you do have an option for high flotation tires for increased stability in the field and a little bit better ride. Moving on to the back of the baler, you are also equipped with a bale ramp in the back for easier offloading of the bales. Here is your net wrap compartment. So when you open this up, you're going to have your net wrap here that's feeding into the baler with also optional storage for another roll of net wrap. So when you run through one, you can just move that one down into its spot. So that's it, guys. That's the 451M round baler.
Hi, my name is Dave with PTO Link. I'm the manufacturer. We're here at the Quality Equipment booth right here at the Southern Farm Show. We want to demonstrate the biggest complaint we get from customers that own tractors is that they hate hooking up to PTO. So we're solving that issue. All we do is we have 2 interlocking couplers. This is the part that everybody hates, is these push pins, putting it over a PTO shaft. So what we do is we have the 2 interlocking couplers. We're going to install one on the tractor. It installs just that easy. Then we want to add this to the implement. It doesn't matter if you have a push pin or a collar, it just locks in just the same way. Once that gets installed, we have the 4 studs going into 4 teardrop holes. I recommend grabbing it here so you can support the weight as well as being able to control the angle. I recommend 2 studs going into the 4 holes. Watch what happens when I push this pin forward with the plate. It automatically pushes back. I can rotate tractor or implement side. 1/2-inch twist is all it takes. All the forward torque is going to be against these 4 studs, but we have a grade 8 pin with a little locking keeper on there. That's going to protect any of the system from any reverse torque scenarios, shearing or damaging the equipment, because that's going to protect the system. We put that through both couplers. A little quick tip, if it ever doesn't go all the way through, just lift it up a little bit, it goes right in there. Allows me to rotate it, to twist it, to remove it. So now I'm completely coupled. When I'm getting ready to unlock the system, all I do is push that pin out. Lifting this up a little bit allows me to pull that out easily. And then as you pull this locking pin out, you'll notice it stops to, usually will lock against that other coupler. So all I need to do now is just give it a little twist. If my tractor freewheels, I always recommend this side. If it doesn't freewheel, you'll have to go with this side. If you've got a tractor that doesn't freewheel and an implement that's difficult to freewheel, like a finish mower or a batwing or something like that, then we use this fancy wrench. This locks right onto that existing spline. You can get it to connect that way, or I can get it to uncouple this way. And that is bent in such a way that it fits underneath that housing, so it will work if you got a housing or not a housing. Works out really great. So, and again, that's only used for implements that doesn't freewheel or a tractor doesn't freewheel or vice versa.
Hi everyone, my name is Adam Davis. I work with John Deere as a commercial mowing and CCE specialist, and today I'm at the Southern Farm Show at Quality Equipment's booth here. And behind me and in front of me you can see we have some great John Deere mowers. One of our newest mowers is our Q850R. This is our 54-inch deck right over here with the 27 horsepower. To my left is our W48R with, it's about 19 horsepower. And on my left over here is one of our new mower decks. It's a 72-inch side discharge Q865R EFI engine. And it is the same mower deck that we have on all of our stand-ons. So it's the toughest 7-iron that you can get out of the entire market. And behind me we have one of our Z997R diesel sit-down mowers. And then to my right is one of our Z930 Z-Trex as well. We'd love it if you come to Quality Equipment's booth and check out what we have here.
Hey guys, this is Adam Smith with Quality Equipment. We're at the Southern Farm Show in Raleigh, North Carolina. Today we're going to highlight some of our equipment for you guys. One of our most popular attachments is what we call a power rake. It's used for a variety of grading, landscaping applications. It's on a 331 John Deere track loader, one of our best-selling products we have. It can handle most any job that you guys are doing in your grading and landscaping applications.
Good morning, I'm Cam Ambrose with Quality Equipment. I work in the Precision Ag field. I'm a field tech. Today at the farm show, we have on display the Stinger Gateway applicator with the new G5 Plus monitor and the new 7500 receiver. This is a multi-application machine. You can spray and do dry fertilizer. We've got it set up on the G5 display and as a product applicator, you set it up just like you would a regular sprayer, and you can pull data where you're spraying. You can map with it, and on the screen is what we have and what we did before we came, and here's your data. You can go through it and see what you did. We have it set up on speed. It tells you all your times, your area, all your gallons, everything like that. And this is for like homeowners or golf courses or something like that.
Good afternoon, Marcus Page here with Quality Equipment. I'm the machine demo and precision upgrade specialist here, and we're coming live to you from the Southern Farm Show Day 2. Right now we want to talk to you about one of the machines we have here in the booth. It's our 410R John Deere sprayer, but specifically pointing out this particular sprayer, which has the See & Spray Ultimate package on it. This sprayer is unique in a couple of different ways. One of the ways is the true dual product design that it has on it. So this particular machine is a 1,000-gallon tank, which is divided up in a 350-gallon, 650-gallon split. We have true dual product systems throughout the sprayer. We have dual touch pads here, command pads on the side of the sprayer, dual eductors, dual pumps, plumbing going all the way back to the back of the boom. One unique thing about this sprayer as well is our See & Spray system that is on it. We have 36 cameras going down the boom of this sprayer. Using our existing ExactApply nozzle body technology, we're able to spot spray weeds on the fly and target spray weeds, as we're also with the dual product system broadcasting our residual herbicides, our fungicides, and our insecticides at the same time. I have a carbon fiber boom to help counteract the weight that's on the sprayer, as well as our Boom Track Pro 2 Ultimate system to help keep the boom stable as we're going through the field. Come stop by, come see us. I'm more than glad to talk to you about it. Come find me here in the booth, and we'll explain to you the benefits of what See & Spray can do for you on your farm.
My name is Blake Stanley with the John Blue Company. I'm at the Southern Farm Show in the booth with Quality Equipment today. We're representing some of our product that we have. For those of you that don't know, John Blue was has been serving the agricultural industry and farmers since 1886. Our piston pumps, which we have a variety of today, have become the standard in metering liquid fertilizer on planters and applicators for years, and are the standard of accuracy and durability, and last for years on end. We're displaying several models of those today, as well as other components that we have for the pumps, and blockage monitors to allow the farmer to know when the fertilizer is going through the rows and when it is not. Along with other products that we have, we offer transfer pumps for our centrifugal line, as well as spray type centrifugal pumps. And irrigation units, we've got a complete line of pumps for those applications as well, so not just the applicator and planter market.
Hello everybody, my name is Drew Fuller. I'm with A&I Products, headquarters in Rock Valley, Iowa. We're here at the Southern Farm Show quality equipment booth, kind of showing off our parts, giving away some freebies. Up front we got the bale spears, showing off different versions of that. A lot of interest in these kind of things. Some people want to take them home right now. Then we just have a whole long table is up showing the quality of the A&I part, giving a little bit of a price difference, showing what the savings could be, especially right now with this kind of economy. Big hydraulic pump, almost $3,000 in savings. Just across the board, we got product overview, catalogs, planter parts, cab cam, radiator. It has been a lot of interest. So just going through the parts, pulling up, looking up whatever they need at the moment. So come check us out at the Kurt Scott building at the Southern Farm Show.
I'm Blaze Gammon. I'm with Reddick Equipment Company. We're here at the Southern Farm Show of 2025. We're here, we got a 50-gallon UTV gator sprayer. We got 50 foot of 3/8 hose. We got an electric ball valve with in-cab control and can be used for no cab or with the cab. We're here, we got a 9 nozzle boom, which is 15 foot. We have the options of 12 foot up to 18 foot, as well as 100-gallon options or up to 300 foot of hose. And all various types of T-Jet brand tips is who we're partnering with. So depending on applications, what tips you're looking for, you may be spraying nitrogen or spraying pastures or your yard. A lot of guys are using these gator sprayers, spraying large acre yards or food plots or anywhere you need to get somewhere without a tractor pretty much. We got various options of types of pumps, strainers, electric controls. Honda engines is usually who we partner with, but we also offer some other options as well. But we can swing around, and we partner with Quality Equipment a lot, and it fits very well. This is an 835 Gator here. Pretty much 50 and 100 gallon units are all available to fit inside of most of the Gators, the John Deere Gators they have.